Today we will pre-draft and demonstrate how to use image embeds for field survey work. We will learn how to upload KMZ overlays, draw aerial pathways, draw underground conduit pathways, embed and draw on photos, change a feature type, and draw fiber plant. We are going to build a small route desktop in Google Earth and given to us in KMZ format into a field survey product ready to go by itself for many use cases when it comes to OSP engineering and construction-based applications. Keep in mind that this data can be exported at scale for even more detailed work. Instead of describing each step here in this video, just watch what I do and maybe try to follow along on your phone or other device. If not already, you will be able to find this video broken down into several others explaining most of these steps in further detail. I will point some important things out, here and there throughout it though. We begin at the Add Feature Route screen. Let's get going! We can search by address or GPS coordinate. We search for the address here to get a GPS coordinate to give the first feature a place on the map. It will show up as a miscellaneous marker or red target once we update this feature with the Update button. You should pay attention here. Uploading a KMZ is simple. Click the Choose button and select the file to be uploaded. Then click the blue Update button in the top right. Your KMZ will appear in the second layer set on the right side of the map. Hover over it to see checkboxes allowing you to turn each KMZ on or off. Any notation in a KMZ will be displayed. Avoid large files. Notice as I draw the pole line, that the rotation of each pole follows my mouse. When your tablet has a stylus connected to it, the features, in this case, poles, will follow you as you hover over your screen to place the next feature. Notice as you place features, the pathway is drawn as well. I typically give all my features on a map a unique identifier or station number, commonly referred to as a profile number for poles. This makes for easy referencing at later times when customers or clients have questions. Drafting underground is quite like drafting aerial when using the UG Features button, but since UG pathways are rarely point-to-point, we can use the UG Pathways button to allow us to click next to features, snapping to them. Then you can just click or tap along the route you want to take to the next feature, clicking or tapping near it to snap to it, ending the pathway. Adding construction notes is very simple. Just click the message button in the upper right-hand corner, and click where you would like to place the notation. Edit the note. Use the draw system and add some leads. Consider color coding leads to mean various things, or you can always explore the callouts further, changing the background and font colors to give notations different meanings. Changing a feature type is easy and is a great way to fix accidentally clicking the wrong type when selecting a feature. Tap or click on a feature to activate its pop-up, then find the feature type button and tap or click. You will be presented with a list of all available features. Click a feature type to change it. Removing a pathway does not use the trash can button in the upper right like drops and features do. To remove a pathway, click on it to activate the pop-up, then click Remove Pathway. After a second, the pathway will disappear. We use the UG Pathways button to allow us to click next to features, snapping to them. We can just click or tap along the route you want to take to the next feature, clicking or tapping near it to snap to it, ending the pathway. Sometimes features not part of the new construction may need an identifier, so when they are not in use, just drag them off the viewable area of the map. When imported into AutoCAD, they will show up wherever they have been placed. Now we will add a tel/server room to the building. This is purely a demonstration of the use case. If an ISP survey were performed, you could use this in combination with the image overlays to detail the room. We will embed an image I took from Google Maps to show you how we can embed and draw on imagery within our map so that we may easily reference and or document them along the routes mapped. A very helpful use case is an image of a PDF. These can be used to have the system map ready to reference without having to go outside of FRM or use another device or clipboard. This functionality is being greatly expanded in future updates. Now we will draw in some fiber plant from the tie point, a fiber splice for this demonstration, and a few fiber backlashes approximately 750 to 1000 foot from the splice before crossing the road. You will make note of the pathways not being automatically generated for the OSP plant. Pay attention closely to see how we manually customize the feature's rotation and make sure to go back if needed to review. After the features are done, you can use the draw tool at the bottom to begin adding your plant. I forgot to change the select box to the correct line type in this video. It should have been one of the fiber plant types. In most cases this only matters when you have multiple fibers being as-built in a scenario or if you plan on using the exported data. This concludes this help video. Thank you for using FRM.